Hi, guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we will discuss bypassing iPhone, iPad MDM without jailbreak. If you set up the iPhone and encounter the remote management setup screen, but forget the username and password to unlock MDM lock, how can you bypass MDM from the iPhone quickly? iSenshare iPhone Passcode Genius can help bypass MDM lock on iPhones in clicks. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Then head to iSenshare official website. Download iSenshare iPhone Passcode Genius, and then install it on your computer. Now launch iPhone Passcode Genius. Click Remove or Bypass MDM. Your iPhone is successfully detected. Then click the Start button. Soon, your iPhone will be out of remote management. Now, you can use the iPhone normally. That's all. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video.